Hey everybody, today I'm going to be dethatching my lawn. I'm a little bit late to the game, but I kind of went back and forth on buying this SunJoe Dethatcher and did a lot of research on it, and everything I read up was good. You can see my lawn is pretty green, but it's got some cloudy spots here and here. Just want to get up the rest of this dead grass. Get up some of the thatch and get this lawn on its way to being nice and healthy and thick. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mow the lawn. I'm going to take that grass down to about 1.5 inches, and then I'll run the dethatcher on that, and that way I'm not pulling up a ton of green grass and ripping up roots and stuff like that. So make sure your lawn is dry and pretty low to what you normally cut it at to get the best results. Alright, so now that lawn is mowed, you can see a lot more of the colored cloud from the dead grass and all that. So she's greening up pretty good though. Look at that. All that is just dead grass and thatch. Alright, well, that'll do it for this dethatching project. It went really well. Can't believe I got as much up as I did. And if you want an update on how full my green waste bin and my garbage can are full, that bad boy is full, and that's half full. So I'm gonna call that a success, and I'll post an update after I fertilize and give it a week or so, and we'll kind of compare where it was to where she is now. Now, if you have any questions, comments, please drop them below. I would appreciate you to subscribe. That gives me some support on making these videos. You'll also get future content with a subscription. Alright, so here is the lawn. This is exactly a week later. That cloudiness color is reduced by quite a bit after the dethatch, and it is greening up. I threw down some fertilizer about 2 days after I dethatched. Kind of let the lawn recover a little bit from the stress, and threw down that fertilizer, and starting to green up a lot more, and it's looking good. So